Hello everybody, this is Bishop Benjamin Dube. I just want to take this time and just apologize for the people in Middleback. I am here in Middleback and I'm ready and to really minister, but unfortunately I think the organizers were not that organized, because when we got to the venue we discovered that the equipment was not fully set, and that which we had already given to them to put up so that when we come we can really do the ministry. I just want to say I apologize, and we tried even to call the organizers, and they were nowhere to be found. They couldn't pick up our call, meaning when we were there at the venue. So my heart is breaking, especially for those that we saw that were there at the venue. And so apologies from our side. We did what we were expected to do, came to Middleback, and of course we came to the venue. I'm hoping that maybe next time we may have the right promoters or organizers, and so that we may be a blessing. And I know so many people actually were looking forward to it. I'm sad, but I'm hoping that something will happen in the next, time coming. But I still love everybody. I still love all of you. I'm sorry, that is from me, for everyone to know. Thank you. God bless you.